Whenever we talk of sex, there are three organs that plays part to bring in that smooth sexual intercourse. This is the clit, the vagina canal, the vagina labias. Without three these organs working together, you just have sex and you know meaning of that sex. So we are talking of sex and reaching orgasm. People just have sex, or many women have never had an orgasm because you don't do it the right way. You as the man, you should play part to initiate that clitoris the best way possible for your woman to reach orgasm. These are the ways to use the vagina labias to bring in that deep penetration and also the best orgasm that your woman and you as a man will ever have. How do you do this? There are like four ways on how I'll tell you how to use the vagina labias. One way is opening and closing of the vagina labias. In case you doesn't know the vagina labias, they are the vagina lips. We have the vagina lips and then the vagina canal, and on top of the vagina canal, there is the vagina clit. These three organs work together. So open up whenever your man is about to penetrate. Open up your vagina labias. The vagina labias close in like this. So you need to open them up or them out to allow uh, your man to penetrate, thus touching this the clit. So whenever you open up by adding pressure in your stomach, pressure out, like you're breathing out. Push, push out. Add pressure in your stomach to push, to open up those vaginal labias. And by doing this, you are allowing the stimulation of the clitoris from the word go because you have given a way for the man to enter in a smooth way to touch directly the clitoris. By not opening the vaginal lips, the man will enter just inside the canal. But when you allow that space to enter, ooh, you are telling the clit that I am here. Your friend is here, and you stimulate it from the word go. And immediately the man enters, now close in those the vaginal lip. The way you added pressure out, now breathing, they will close in together to lock the penis like you will never let it go. That way the penis is locked inside now. And whenever you lock, it's like they're entering inside, locking the penis and pushing it inwards. In that way, you are allowing him to go deeper towards reaching the G spot. And you know what? When the G spot is reached, direct orgasm. The clitoris was stimulated from the word go, thus sending that message to the G spot that is time. Now, this is the best time for us to work. Yes, that is one way. Another way is locking in the vaginal lips and the vagina walls. The vagina walls are like this. So you're supposed to squeeze the vagina walls at the same time You are closing, the vagina lips are closing in. This is done by squeezing, squeezing the vagina walls together. Bring in your legs together, like you're squeezing your bum. Squeeze that bum together so that it can squeeze the vagina walls also together to lock the penis in, to get that horizontal way for him to enter and close in and lock it in. And also the vaginal labias are locked in. This is well done when the man is almost reaching orgasm. The men communicate. When you're almost reaching orgasm, don't keep quiet. Communicate for her to add more strength to squeeze your penis, thus allowing you to eject deeply to the G spot and hitting it perfectly for easy orgasm. By doing so, you're allowing yourself and your woman to reach orgasm perfect. Yeah, practice this and you will love this. Both of you, you will know, uh, you will know the sweetness of having sex, working together, both of you. Yeah. Another way is controlling the penis when it's inside by taking to the side. Push one side of your vagina by taking side and taking to the left side. Take it to the one side. By doing this, you are like crossing the vagina lips. Take it toward the right and to the left. To the right and to the left. Easy. By that way, it's like you are crisscrossing the vagina lips to crisscross. Whenever you're taking to the right, they are forming that is like you're overlapping them. So it turns the side. That is controlling the penis while inside to the most pressurable uh, pressurable side that you're feeling like. Yeah, that is the ways to use the vagina labias together with the vagina walls towards reaching orgasm the best way. Repeat this with your man now and then. These techniques will bring in smooth and sweetness of the sex and reaching orgasm for both of you. Keep on tuning. You get the best out of everything you need to know. This is Liz Robert channel. Keep on tune. I love you guys.